Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Spanish Town Road, and as you can see, this road is under construction, and the construction seems to have stalled. Not sure what's going on, but NWC, this construction has two phases. Two projects. NWC was to lay pipes, and then NWA was to rehabilitate the road. Now NWC laid the pipes. We have numerous videos up. Probably a year ago, the NWC laid the pipes, and they said they were going to pressure test the pipes, and then the NWA will rehabilitate the road. NWA assigned the contract to a contractor, told the contractor not to start until NWC finished their part. NWC gave out the project to lay the pipes to a contractor as well, and their project was valued at US $25 million, and the NWA project was valued at $11 million. So currently, as you can see, no work is being done on Constant Spring Road. Spanish Town Road. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with Constant Spring Road today. Sorry about that, guys. And look at the state of the road. This is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica, and look at the state of the road. Now, we've made a video a month ago, and the road was in the same state. No work was being done on the road. There's no sign of NWC, no sign of NWA, and people have to use this road. Now, straight ahead is a 3 miles overpass, which is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. The busiest intersection in Jamaica. And look at the state of the road. This is unbelievable. So that intersection is the intersection with Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. So if you go over the overpass, we stay on Spanish Town Road and we go down to Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica. If we take the top overpass, that's Hagley Park Road, and that takes us to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. If we were to go in the opposite direction, Spanish Town Road takes us to Maxfield Avenue, which takes you back to Halfway Tree. Or if you continue on Spanish Town Road, you will end up in downtown Kingston, which is also a very busy place in Jamaica. So this is the overpass straight ahead. So this road must get some sort of priority in Jamaica. Must. Yet, we don't know what's going on. The last we heard was NWC said they were pressure testing the pipes. This was over a year ago. And that was it. The pipes were laid on Spanish Town Road, and they were pressure testing them to ensure that they work properly. So, in all fairness, NWA told their contractor not to start working until NWC was finished with their part. So I don't know if it's a case where NWC, I can't believe they're still pressure testing the pipes over a year. So we really don't know what's going on, if it's NWC or if it's NWA, but no work is being done on the road. So we are at the original intersection now. That's the overpass on the right. And maybe it's a case where the two ministries just cannot work together. I have no idea, but NWC outsourced the project and the NWA outsourced the project. So hopefully by early next year they can get this thing sorted out and the road finished. Alright, so we are on Hagley Park Road now, heading towards Marcus Garvey Drive. So if we were to go straight or go right, veer right, we would go on to the Portmore Expressway, and that takes us into Portmore. But we turn left here, and we are now on Marcus Garvey Drive heading towards downtown Kingston. On the left is a Tinston Pen Aerodrome, which is a small airport that's not an airport, an aerodrome, sorry, that's used basically for training, and that's where the small planes can fly around Jamaica. But it's not used that much, as domestic travel on these small planes is not very popular in Jamaica. So this is Marcus Garvey Drive. Not sure what those cars are doing, but one car is literally out in the road. That's very unsafe. Alright, on the right is the entrance to the Kingston Wharf. I have lots of videos up of driving through that area. You can check it out. So on the left, if we go left now, we're going to the Greenwich Town area, or Greenwich Farm area, and that takes us back to Spanish Town Road. On the right is Petrojam, which is the oil refinery in Jamaica. And if we continue straight on Marcus Garvey Drive, we will go to drive into downtown Kingston. So the sign says, "Welcome to Greenwich Town." Not sure why people call it Greenwich Farm. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.